We'll take a look earlier. This is side by side, Natalie and Paula Creamer. First, we'll take a look at Natalie. Notice her head position at the top. We'll do the same for Paula. We'll start Natalie in motion as she turns away. Watch how far her right shoulder gets behind her. That is phenomenal. Now the dip that she is so well known for, we're going to stop it right around in here, right at her, I guess, the bottom apex of where her head dips to. We'll start Paula in motion as well. Also another player known for the dip drive. Stop her at the bottom. Boom, right there. Notice the difference between the two. Natalie's definitely more pronounced than Paula's. Both of them in the process of shallowing them both out.
How low can you go?
Exactly. Now look from down the line. Natalie Gulbis, very strong left-hand grip, gets the grip back, or her wrist actually cupped a little bit and well across the line here. You can see this line here not the same as her feet. And as Paula starts in motion, very much more traditional, on plane at the top, that line parallel to what her foot line is. Notice the difference between the two lines at the top, pretty significant.